Ever wonder why some people actually enjoy checking their email while the rest of us dread the notification sound? For years, I hopped between every major client looking for that secret sauce until I committed to Newton. Most people know it for the clean interface, but after using it daily, I've realized the real power lies in the features that don't get enough spotlight. The first game changer for me is Recap. We've all had those emails that slip through the cracks, the ones you read, meant to reply to, and then completely forgot about. Recap is like having a personal assistant who taps you on the shoulder. It automatically brings back conversations that are waiting for your reply or need a follow-up, especially if there's a due date involved. It doesn't just clutter your inbox again, it waits until you've cleared the deck to show you what's actually pending. Then there's Tidy Inbox. While Gmail has tabs, Newton's Tidy Inbox feels more like a filter for your brain. It whisks away newsletters and social notifications into a separate folder automatically, but the hidden part of this is how it handles notifications. You only get buzzed for the stuff that matters. My phone stopped vibrating every time a retail store had a 10% off sale, and honestly, that alone was worth the subscription. If you're someone who lives in other productivity tools, the Connected Apps feature is the bridge you didn't know you needed. I can turn an email into a Trello card, a Todoist task, or an Evernote clipping with one click without leaving the thread. It stops that copy-paste friction that usually kills my momentum. Finally, let's talk about Zenbox. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the constant stream of incoming mail while trying to focus on a deep work project, Zenbox is your shield. It lets you pause incoming emails for specific intervals, giving you a true quiet mode so you can actually finish a task without the lure of a new message breaking your flow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.